Hi there, students. In this video I'm going to look at the words a valediction and a valedictorian. Okay, valediction, countable or uncountable noun. A valedictorian, a person. So a valediction is the act of saying goodbye. It's a formal phrase when somebody is saying goodbye. Most commonly, a valediction is a formal speech in which when somebody leaves their job after many years of work, or maybe the boss of a company stands down for somebody else to take over, and in a speech they give their valediction. Now, a valedictorian, the Americans use this for the student at a school who has the best grades, or who graduates top of their class at high school, and the valedictorian makes a speech at the graduation ceremony. So you come top in your class and you get to make the goodbye speech, if you like. Yeah, you're leaving school, you're going out into the world, and this is the valedictorian who is effectively saying goodbye to the school and hello wider world. Okay, so the valedictorian is a student. It's usually the best student of the group, and they're making a speech at their graduation ceremony, the ceremony that recognizes they've finished their studies. Okay, so a valediction, a goodbye, a leaving speech, a parting company. So a word or phrase saying goodbye, farewell, adieu, ciao, see you later, bye for now. These are all valedictions. Okay, a valediction, a word or a phrase to end a letter or a message. So all the best to all of you. Love, Alex. It's the phrase at the end of a letter. Hope to see you soon. Best wishes, Alex. Yeah? Okay, the act of parting company, the valediction. So I went to the Great Lakes in summer, and I spent 2 months there, and it was wonderful. So I made a lot of friends, and the valediction when my holiday was over was a very sad moment for me. Yeah, the act of parting company, the separation. Yeah, and then the valedictorian, okay, the person making the speech. Notice the valedictorian, you can also use the word dux, D-U-X, is the top academic student in a school or in a year. So, valediction, the act of saying goodbye. I bid you good night. Bye for now. I'll see you soon. Take care. So, words or phrases saying goodbye. His valedictory speech, yeah, a valedictory speech made by a valedictorian. Okay, so valediction, the act of saying farewell, goodbye, adieu, a statement made as saying goodbye. Yeah, you're going to retire. A retirement speech would be a good valediction as well. Yeah, and so the valedictorian gives more or less a valedictory speech. Yeah, valediction is the act of saying goodbye. It's particularly often a speech, yeah, a speech saying goodbye. I'm going to miss you all. You're all my wonderful friends. You might even give this valediction at a party, yeah, at your retirement party, yeah. It's a way of saying goodbye. Okay, valediction. Formality. So valediction, I would give it a 6.5, maybe a 7 in formality. Used in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. Valedictorian, I think I would say the same. 6.5, semi-formal speech, semi-formal or formal writing. As to origin, okay, this comes from Latin, valedicere, from valedico, to say goodbye, to say farewell, and that comes from valeo, I am well, and dico, say. So say well is the idea of valediction. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Here comes my valedictory speech. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. That's definitely a valediction.